Welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Anjali, and in today's video, we are going to see how to retire an asset in the capital module of an EPBCS application. So this is my Excel sheet in which I have the details relating to all the asset, which we are going to retire. So I have purchased this asset in FY 2022 and I am retiring this asset in FY 2023 on this date. All right. So the asset cost is 10,000, salvage value is 0, useful life is 10 years, tax is at the rate of 1%, which will be calculated on the asset cost. This is the depreciation which I have calculated by using the straight line method of depreciation, and this is the end value of the asset for FY 2022. So in FY 23, we are going to retire this asset. So in application, we see the two options for retirement. One is sale and other one is write-off. So I've chosen sale and the sale value is 5,000 and the sale date is 31st of December 2023. So we need to check whether we are arriving at this amount of loss or not in the application. So we'll go to the application and add this asset and we'll retire the asset. Go to investments tab in capital module. Okay, so in this project, let's add an asset first and then we'll retire it. So give the description here, all the mandatory things. All right. Give the purchase date and give the machinery name. And then launch this. Okay, since we added this project, this asset in this particular project, now let's calculate the asset amount. Okay, so this gets calculated. Now let's check. Okay, so the end value, which is 9090, let's validate this figure with our Excel sheet. So this is the first year of the asset. In this is the depreciation amount, which I just told you in which I have used the straight line method of depreciation. So as you can see here, this is the formula. 10,000 plus the tax amount minus salvage value and divided by useful life, which comes to 1,010. So after deducting the value of depreciation, we'll get this amount of asset at the end of the year. So this amount gets validated from here. Now let's validate the depreciations amount in analysis tab. So in analysis, expand this owned asset. Okay, so as we can see here, the depreciation amount of 1010 here. This was not the project. Okay, so I have not yet converted this asset into an existing one. So right click over here and convert it into the existing. Click on owned asset. And select the asset which you want to reconcile the new asset with, and then launch this. Now in the existing tab, we'll see, since we have reconciled it with the existing asset, so we can see the machine over here. All right. So particularly on this tab, let's retire this asset. Right click, click on retire, and here provide the date. So month is December, date is 31st, and the year is 23. So in the retirement option, we see two options here, sale and write-off. So I have chosen sale. We can provide the retirement cost if we are occurring, if we are having any retirement cost. Provide the sale value here. Let's give 5,000 here since I have the same amount in my Excel sheet. All right. So now we'll validate the figures. All right. So go to Analysis tab. Click on Balance Sheet and expand this. So here we can see the machine amount in FY 2022. So this was the first year of purchase. So I've retired this asset in FY 2023. Let's go and check first in the profit and loss, and then we'll move towards FY 23. So here in profit and loss, we'll see the depreciation amount of 1010. In total major assets, we'll get to see here the lathe machine here. So as we can see here, the amount of depreciation, this is also getting validated with a Excel sheet. Now let's move towards FY 23, in which I am retiring my asset. All right. So first check in the balance sheet the asset amount, which should come to 8080. So how is this amount arriving? Opening value minus the depreciation amount for FY 23, which comes to 8080. That is after the deduction of depreciation. This is the amount. In owned asset, in total existing asset, in total major assets, we'll see the machine amount here. So this is the machine amount and this is the accumulated depreciation, which is 1010 for FY 2022 and 1010 for FY 2023. So this is 2020. All right. So now let's validate the depreciation amount now. The sale value, that is the gain and loss from the retirement. So in profit and loss, we'll get to see the loss or gain on the asset. So this is the machine in which I can see the amount of 3080. So how is this amount coming? Let's check and validate this figure as well. Since my end value is 8080, but at the end of this year, I'm retiring this asset at the sale value of 5,000. So this will be loss on retirement 3080. Had it been the amount more than this end value, it would have resulted in the gain on retirement. All right. So this amount is getting validated with the application amount. So this is how you can retire an asset in the EPBCS application in Capital module. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.